Okay, this is the 1938 Dodge Ram pickup hot rod with a 440 Magnum. First of all, I want to show that it has a custom-made cover for it. It's always been garaged. It's never been set outside. And we cover it also inside the garage so dust and any marks or anything will not get on it. Okay, here is the original reupholstered bench seat that was in the truck, and now we have cloth ones, but this can easily be put back in. Some more spare parts here, and also the side exhausts can be put back on for a louder, speedier sound. Okay, this is the 1937.5 or 38 Dodge Ram pickup. Still has the Ram here on the hood ornament. It's an all steel body that's been professionally painted, and it has a wood rails on the bed. It has the racing wheels, and then what's really special about this is that it has a custom made cover for the bed of the truck. And we'll demonstrate that to you in just a moment. Just gonna take a walk all the way around the truck. Here's the passenger side. See, it's just very nice professional paint job on it. And there's the roof of the truck. Down here. And the grill. Okay, this is a sprayed in truck bed liner. It's black, and it has a custom made hood. As you can see, it has hydraulic lifts here. So I'm gonna demonstrate how this closes up real nice and neat. Put anything back there and keep it secure. There are locks right here. And then we just simply close the tailgate. Hook it up, and the other one. So when you go to car shows or anything, you've got all your things and goodies in the truck bed and covered. Okay, we're gonna fire her up. A lot of horsepower under there. Off down the road. Ready, set, go. Okay. Now here she comes. Timed at 12.6 seconds in a drag race at quarter mile per hour. It's a real hot rod. Looks are deceiving. Okay, here's our interior. We replaced the original bench seat with some buckets here. And there's the dash and all the instrument panels. There's some Dodge. There's a mats in there, handbrake mat. We'll go on and look at the engine. Yeah, new power steering, new radiator, custom built, cooling. Here's our interior. We replaced the original bench seat with some buckets here, and there's the dash and all the instrument panels. There's some Dodge. There's a mats in there, handbrake mat. We'll go on and look at the heavy. And we have drove it quite a couple hundred miles.